Watch it. There we go. Oh, Eli Drake was hooked.
Comfortable. Drew McIntyre is up there.
McIntyre has a noise too. Oh, and Eric crashed thereby.
Man, half his size.
Look at the power. Wow. Looking for it. Oh, the fit Philly. Elbows. Pop up. Oh, and Drew.
Oh, no. Looking for a Celtic cross.
Oh, no.
A Celtic cross on the stairs.
Can Drew connect here? What a maneuver. Against spun. Drew Galloway catches spun the center of the ring.
Oh, kryptonite crunch. It looks like he's going for center of the ring and lands it full force.
Galloway has Angle hooked by the head. Control the head, control the body. But Drew Galloway's going to take out Kurt Angle.
He's got Ricochet up on his shoulders. What is this?
Oh, boy. No.
We saw him do this against Joe Coffey. Right in the lower back. Oh no. This could be it, Veda. Beautiful disaster. Hooks the leg.
Bothering her instead of trying to cover.
Has her up looking for the beautiful disaster, maybe. And there it was.
And Havok, obviously wreaking havoc on the knockouts. Taking down both.
Whoa.
Watch out. Crash, oh no.
It's under. Up on the shoulders.
Oh, no. Not the air raid crash. Oh! Center of the ring, the air raid crash. This great Knockouts Championship match, and we saw the mutual respect from them. But this is a total lack of respect.
And now, oh no, going for the air raid crash. This move's
Everybody folding Angel up. Jessicka Havok just unleashing the very air raid crash. This has got to be it already.
Well, you saw that. No need to describe it. Again, Jessicka Havok. There's the demon drop.
Rain turns around, boot to the midsection. Uh-oh. Oh, Havok's got her up. This could be an air raid crash, and it's going to be all over for Tessa Blanchard if she nails this move. That's it. It's over.